Okay, so these are my turtles. Well, actually, this is my aquarium. This is properly on an angle. So that's a UV light, that's a heat light, and I got 3 rocks, like the one that's floating with where the turtles are to, and 2 plants over there to hide the inside heater and the other filter. I have 2 filters. I have that filter system there, and I have another filter right over there, which is somewhat independent. Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you my 3 little buddies. Right, so first I'm going to go with this guy. This one here is Dexter. This is Dexter. He's a red-eared spider, and he's quite small, so he's a baby. He's a really big baby. And he's a boy. He's the only boy, and he's the smallest, so he's not going to get anything anytime soon. See here? He's very pretty, and he's really, really, really scared. They're not used to me yet, but they will soon enough. See, I'm sure he's in the front side. So I'm going to put him back in, because he's really scared right now. And let him go. Especially you like to. Usually they just go back in the water. Alright, so now number 2. And there he goes. Okay, number 2. Okay, this one's more feisty. Come on. I don't want to drop you, girl. Okay, I'll hold it like this. As long as she doesn't creep on me. This is, I'm going to call her Melody. She's quite feisty, but she's a medium-sized one. And she keeps getting intimidated by Penelope, which is right over there. And they don't like being handled. Well, they're not used to being handled. So I was told to actually handle them frequently so that they could get used to me, so that they become less aggressive. So I'm just going to try and stay away from her mouth, just in case. So yeah, this is the medium one. I think she's about a year old. I'm not too sure. I'm going to have to ask again. Yeah, they're not used to me. She keeps pushing me. She's the one that's like pushing herself, actually. So yeah. Maybe she just doesn't like the light. I just don't think she likes being handled. That's okay. I'm gonna keep doing it anyways. And whoa. Okay. And let's go with the biggest girl, which is kind of eating this thing alive right now. I don't want my shirt to go in this tank. Hold on a second. Okay. So there she is. She's looking right at me. And let's go with bigger girl. Biggest girl. Here we go. Alright. So this is Penelope. And she's a dominating one here. She's, I think, 2 years old. Also, well, all I have are red-eared spiders anyways. She's a very nice shell. She has an indent right here. Do you see that? I don't know what that's from. Maybe too much eating. She's a big eater. Okay, they don't like going upside down, but I'm going to put her upside down anyway. Very beautiful belly. Very pretty. Yeah, she's always intimidating and kind of like dominating the team. So I'm gonna say that she's boss. And she's a big eater. Alright, so these are my turtles. My turtles here. And give her this. He likes it apparently. So yeah, that's my cat. That's Melody. I think she's like roughly 1 year old. Not too sure. There's a midget. No, he's not a midget. He's just really small. He's not even a year old. It's like a couple weeks or months. I don't know. Oh, look at that. Alright, so these are my babies. Bye-bye.